Hey guys, welcome to Binize channel. Today I'm gonna introduce you how to plug in the AI box correctly. First of all, as you can see, it has 3 different slots. So the first one is for the SIM card, the second one is for the micro SD card, the central one is for the connection wire. First, let's have a look how to plug in the SIM card correctly. So please make sure press the edge of the SIM card, then use a skillful force to make it in. Then we're gonna introduce you how to insert the micro SD card in correctly. So please make sure and pay attention to the directions when inserting. If you look carefully, there will be a little sign on the top of the card slot. And at last, it has 2 connection wires. One of them is to Type-C and the other of them is Type-B to Type-C. Make sure both of them are plugged in tightly. Thanks for watching. Welcome to purchase on Binize.com to find more discount.